Good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to find out cube root of a large number. Cube root of a large number. To do this, first we have to understand what is cube and what is cube root. First, let's take a number, say 3. If I multiply 3 with 3, we will get 9. 9 is the square of 3. And if I multiply 9 again with 3, we will get 27. And this 27 is the cube of 3. 27 is the cube and 3 is the cube root. 3 is the cube root. Then basically we multiply a number 2 times with the original number. Here I multiply this 3 2 times with 3 and we'll get 27, and this 27 is the cube. Let's take another number, say 5, and I am multiplying 5 2 times with 5 and we'll get 125, and 125 is the cube and 5 is the cube root. Hope it is clear to all of you. Now to solve the cube root of a large number quickly, we have to understand this table. Here I have written 1 to 10 number and their cube roots. A cube root of 1 is 1, 2 is 8, 3 27, 4 64, 5 125, and so on. And now I have underlined this 1, 8, 2, 7 and 3 like this. Why? Because if you notice carefully, we'll see that there is a relationship between the cube and the cube root. If the last digit of the cube is 1, the last digit of the cube root will also be 1. If the last digit of the cube is 8, last digit of the cube root is 2. If the last digit of the cube is 7, the cube root is 3. If the last digit of the cube is 4, the last digit of the cube root is 4. If the last digit of the cube is 5, cube root will be 5. And last digit of the cube is 6, the cube root will be 6, and so on. The last digit of the cube is 0, and then last digit of the cube root will be 0. Now I am taking number to solve the cube root very quickly. I am taking this number 9,70,299. To solve this very quickly, first we have to divide this number like this. We have to put a slash from the right side after 3 digits. This is the rule. Now see that this is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. Now you see that last digit of the cube is 9. From the table we know that if the last digit of the cube is 9, last digit of the cube root will also be 9. Then the answer of the right hand side is 9. Now you see that the digit of number in the left hand side is 970. 970. You have to find out between which number 970 comes. 970 comes between 729 and 1000. 1000. Now the rule is that 729 is the cube of 9 and 1000 is the cube of 10. Now rule is that we have to take the smallest digit, means 9. Though the answer of the left hand side will be 9. Now the cube root of 9,70,299 is 99. Let's take another number, say 6,58,503. Now First, the rule is that we have to put a slash from the right side after 3 digit, like this. Now look at this number. The last digit of the cube is 3. From the table we know that if the last digit of the cube is 3, the last digit of the cube root will be 7. Now the answer of the right hand side is 7. Now you have to find out the left hand side. 658. 658 comes between which number? 512 and 729. Okay, and 512 is the cube of 8 and 729 is the cube of 9. The rule is that we have to take the smallest number. Then the answer of the left hand side is 8. Now the cube root of 6,58,503 is 87. Let's take another number. Say 3,14,432. According to the rule, we have to put a slash after 3 digit from the right hand side, like this. Now first, the last digit of the cube is 2. If the last digit of the cube is 2, then the last digit of the cube root will be 8. Now the answer of the right hand side is 8. Now we have to consider the number of the left hand side. Number of the left hand side is 314. We have to check between which 314 comes. 314 comes between 216 and 343. Now 216 is the cube of 6 and 343 is the cube of 7. Now, according to the rule, we will take the smallest digit. We will take smallest digit means 6. The answer, the cube root of 3,14,432 is 68. Hope you will understand how to find out cube root of a large number very quickly. Thanks for watching.